Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial video. I hope you're doing well and feeling well. So what you're looking right now on the screen is IP address of my computer. You can see here the IP address of my computer is 192.168.1.1. This is IP address version 4 class C, and this is the subnet mask of my computer, and this is the default gateway. So if you want to know about your IP address of your computer, so follow me in this video and I will tell you how you can access your IP address and your MAC address of your computer. So to learn how to open this window, just go here, type CMD. After CMD is opened, just write a command here, ipconfig, and your IP address is opened. You can see your IP version 6 and your IP address version 4 of your computer. This is the default gateway. Default gateway is the IP address of first router, which is you are going to connect to the internet through that router. And this is the subnet mask. Subnet mask actually shows that which part of your IP address is network, and one octet is part of the host. So to know about your MAC address of your computer, just open CMD again. This time write ipconfig/all. Now you can see your MAC address or physical address or MAC address, they are the same. This is the MAC address of my computer. So this is all from this video. If you have any question, you can comment on the comment section and share your thoughts and views about my videos. So I really request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you later.